day. It's seriously like one of the biggest days of 2017. This day is not bigger than JoJo's Super My World or my book or like Hold the Drama or Kid and Case or any of those days. But let me tell you, this is a pretty big day. It is the day that the iPhone 10 came out, also known as the iPhone X. It is spelled the iPhone X, pronounced the iPhone 10. You guys, I am so excited. I feel like I'm probably gonna be one of the younger people doing an iPhone X unboxing, but I was like, you know what? I am young, I love technology, so I was like, you know what? It's a Saturday video, let's go. I want to do an iPhone unboxing. I sent my dad and brother to the iPhone store, to the Apple store, and I was like, yo, you guys, you gotta get in line for this, and like, you have to get me one. This is a picture of my dad and brother. They were the first ones in line to get me this phone. Thank you so much to you guys for that, but like, I can't even, you guys, I am so pumped to unbox it. I'm not gonna waste time to do the intro, although I already wasted a lot of time, but you know what? While you're at it, subscribe, thumbs up, comment. But anyways, without any further ado, I am so pumped. I should not be throwing a new iPhone, but I am, so let's do it. Alrighty, so first of all, we gotta take the plastic off. So you might be like, you know how some of those iPhone boxes are like really hard to get the phone out of? This box like glides so easy. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow, the anticipation was great. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That's right here. This is the iPhone. Look at it, you guys. This is the iPhone. I don't want it to fall, so I'm gonna put my hand in it. But look at it. Look at this is the iPhone. Okay, it's like, it's right here. I'm holding it. Okay, I did not drop it. I just dropped this little thingy, but that doesn't matter. Okay, I'm not gonna get to the phone just yet. We're gonna check out the other things in the box. So this is a little outlet plug. This is some headphones with the converter, and this is also the USB thing, which also it does have wireless charging, but it doesn't come with that. You have to buy that separately. Now let's check out the phone. I'm like so excited for this. Alrighty, so first things first. Wow, that is gorgeous. It's like, I don't know if you can see my camera in it, but it is like literally like kind of like a mirror, which is very. Now the front actually doesn't look different. I have this is my 7, normal 7 here. The front doesn't look different. The camera is obvious different. Still the same cords, no headphone jacks. Nothing's really different. Chrome on the outside, I will say, is pretty bomb.com. So this is the silver color, and I love it. Wait a second, there's no home button. I just realized that. I went to go click a home button, and there isn't one. Wow, that's weird. Okay, let's turn it on. Anticipation. All right, no, I think we gotta like hold it down. All right. Oh my God, I cannot wait to see the full screen. Oh my God, this is gonna be epic. Ooh, it's here. Oh my God, that screen, just look at this. I will say my wallpaper is better on this phone, but wow, this screen is amazing. And honestly, like, it's not as big as I thought it was gonna be. Like, I thought it was gonna be like the size of the Plus. I will say I think it's a little bit smaller than the Plus. What do I do? That. Okay, so I don't know if you saw what I just did. I just went like that. That was very confusing. Okay, English. I'm gonna like kind of set this phone up. Oh, but while I'm doing this, the one thing that I will say is definitely different is the back is glass too, so you can actually crack the back, which I don't know if I like because I feel like I crack the front way too often, but hey, I think it's pretty cool. Like this screen, I will say it's unbelievable. It is huge. It's gonna be very good for watching Grey's Anatomy. I'm excited to see how actually the camera is. That's like a technical thing, but I'm kind of excited. Alrighty, so a Face ID. This is probably the biggest feature that is different. It has Face ID, which I think is really, really cool. All right, so we're gonna set up Face ID. I think it'll be pretty cool. All right, so position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all angles of your face. I'm gonna go this way so you guys can see what's going on, okay? And you're supposed to go like this so you can see all the angles. Oh my God, scan complete already? Oh. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Okay. This is cool. That is cool! So swipe to get started. Wow! So I think the first thing that I want to check out is the Face ID. I want to see if that thing actually works. So as you can tell, if I go here and I try to go here, I have Face ID or I have the passcode. But let's try the Face ID. All right, that's not what you do. I think you maybe swipe up and it says Face. Wow! No way! Whoa, did you just see that? Ready? Watch this. What? That is so cool. So the Face ID works, and that is awesome. This iPhone is so cool. Honestly, I'm gonna be real honest. I can't really tell a difference with the camera. I don't know. It may just be me, but there's not really a difference to me. It is very clear and very good. I would assume it's just as good as like the camera that I'm filming on right now. Selfie camera is actually pretty awesome, I'm not gonna lie. I will just say though, in general, this phone is a lot cooler. It's like when they went from like the 4 to the 5, it just had like a big drastic change. Screen change, back change, Face ID, which is amazing. I mean, seriously, check this out. So you go like here, and it literally saw my face. The home button's obviously different, and of course to the wireless charging. Those all are very cool, amazing features that I will say I love about this phone. The one thing that I didn't get is how to like close up the apps, but I will say that it is very cool. I mean, literally if I go like this, and I go like that, it's like my phone's up. Like, that's crazy to me. This phone is, wow, this is very cool. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see me do more unboxings, comment down below. If you like my channel, subscribe. If you love me, subscribe. If you hate me, subscribe. Just no matter what you do, subscribe. I think we should try to hit 5 million subs by Christmas. I mean, I know you guys are Stevenators, and I know that we can do that. So if you want to try to do that, let's do it all together, right? I have a huge surprise happening for you on Christmas. And basically, I shouldn't spoil what I'm doing. All right, I'm gonna keep it a secret from you guys, but I am gonna do it on the vlog channel. So I also too need you to go subscribe to the vlog channel. I will put the link down in the description. Also too, this video is 100% not sponsored. I showed you the picture in the beginning of my dad and brother at Apple literally buying the phone for me. Like, not sponsored at all. I just thought it'd be really fun to do this video, so a little disclaimer there. But other than that, I love you guys so much. That's all I have for you today. If you liked it, subscribe. If you didn't like it, still subscribe. I love you guys so much, and peace out.